Greetings once again, guys, and welcome to another awesome upload by ICampSA. In this video, we are going to be looking at practice problem number 9, which is based on the May-June 2021 exam. And the statement reads, consider the sequence, which is as given, and we are required to determine the values of x in the interval 0 and 90, for which the sequence, very importantly, will be arithmetic. So let's go ahead and work out this problem. So the first term is negative 11. The second term is given as 2 sine of 3x. And the third term is given as 15, and so on. What we know about arithmetic sequences, it is that the first difference will be equal. So this minus this should give me the same answer as when I minus that and that. Maybe not the same answer, let's rather say the answers should be equal. So if you look carefully, I'll have 2 sine of 3x. When we minus negative 11, it becomes positive 11. Then I'll have 15 minus 2 sine of 3x. So what do I know? I am supposed to have a common difference. So meaning this 2 sine of 3x plus 11 should be equal to 15 minus 2 sine of 3x. So now we have an equation which we can easily solve here. So we have 2 sine of 3x plus 11 equals 15 minus 2 sine of 3x. So if you observe carefully, we can take the sine this side and then take the 11 on the other side. So if you do that, you see you have 2 sine 3x, 2 sine 3x. That will end up being 4 sine 3x, and then we'll have 11, we'll have 15 minus 11, which will give us a 4. So remember, we are trying to solve for x here. So we can go ahead and divide by 4 on the left, divide by 4 on the right, such that what we end up having is sine of 3x equaling 1. And by now, you guys should know when is sine equal to 1. So if I may remind you, your sine graph looks something like this. And remember, our x there must be between 90 and 1. So your sine graph looks like this. And it gets to 90, or it gets to 1 at 90 degrees. Okay, so which means what we have here clearly is 3x equaling 90 degrees, because it is 90 degrees that makes the sine to be 1. And then if you divide both sides, because we're looking for x, divide by 3, divide by 3, you will see that the x value which we obtain is x equals 30 degrees. So this becomes our final answer. So we couldn't do any plus k 360 or so, because they were very specific that we need to bound our x between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, and that is what you were expected to do for 4 marks. I hope you understand. And be on the look for practice problem number 9, which is this one, but be on the look for number 10 and 11. And make sure you watch all the other practice problems also from number 1 up until we get to practice problem number 8. Cheers.